I'm so excited to talk with you about the new ethics and the foundation of the new ethics and some high-level ideas about how it's organized. And to sort of dramatize it, I'm going to use parts of the old ethics to illustrate the difference between the new ethics and the old ethics. For example, the old ethics made things right and wrong, good and bad. They created a battle that we're constantly dealing with between one part of ourself and another part of self, which the old ethics sort of allegorized as, the good part of us, the angel and the devil, like that. And I think some of you may remember what's called the 7 deadly sins: pride, greed, lust, envy, gluttony, wrath, and sloth, right? So, and each of these are contrasted against the what you might say 7 virtues, so it's a battle between trying to avoid these things and be the good guy, And what's very interesting, though, is there's actually 2 different types of ethics involved. And I want to identify those as what issue is how your relationship with other people, like how to have the best relationship with other people. So certain things like, don't be too proud, don't be too selfish, don't be greedy, possibly don't be lustful, don't be envious, don't be wrathful or angry. Those were the ones that have to do more with your relationship with other people. But at least 2 of these, the ones of gluttony, which is, I guess, eating a lot or not caring about what you eat, and sloth, which is being lazy and just not having any energy or diligence, those actually are more to do with your relationship with yourself. And so these 2 areas affect each other, but they're really separate areas. So I've identified 2 different domains of ethics. First domain I call the me-others domain. So it's how to resolve the conflict that can occur between taking care of myself and taking care of others. And so that's the me-other ethics. And the second domain is I call the now-next ethics. And this is our relationship with ourselves, how to take care of now and the future. And if you'll notice, in the old ethics, like everything that was considered to be bad was taking care of, that might be classified as taking care of yourself. Like if you were greedy, that's definitely taking care of yourself, right? Or pride, that's taking care of yourself. Or lust, that's taking care of yourself. And envy, and anger, maybe you're trying to take care of yourself. But the other areas in the involving the now next is like the gluttony and the sloth. That's an issue between taking care of now versus taking care of the future. So gluttony, sure, you're eating because you can feel good now, but you're damaging your future. Or sloth, you're being lazy now, but you're not taking care of your future. So that's the now next domain. So the now next ethics. So we're going to separate out these 2, and they will overlap and they will affect each other. But it's important and very helpful to separate them out. Thank you.